Hello everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_plans on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and CD stickers inserts, and for this week as you can see, I am using this Graceful Muse Paperie Chasing Sunset. So I do the sub kit or like our monthly subscription, and I get the Deco Kit. So yeah, it's the first time trying it out. So yeah, do stick around while I put down the base, and I'll talk to you in a while. All right, so for the base, I'm starting off with this month's area. So I am using this calendar that comes with the Deco bundle every month, and it's so pretty. I'm like, yeah, I gotta use this for this month area. Instead of it going to waste, because it's already the calendar is already set. So yeah, that's why I'm like, yeah, let's put it down here. And I just love how it looked on this area. So I think I'll be doing that again for like a fall spread that I'll be doing. So yeah, for the rest of the deco, I just put together like the deco or the photos or the deco that I think would go or would fit together. And that's why it's just, combining this design. So looking over all your deco and seeing, yeah, what would match with like the center. So the center is my, like, the huge deco is the my theme. So like what would match with this big center theme. So that's how I planned it. Because there's not a lot, like there's no pattern in this. You have to figure out like how you want to put it. You just go with your gut. And yeah, that's what I did. And I put down a lot of florals, of course, because this is the full kit, I think, or the full deco kit bundle. So there's a lot of florals, a lot of deco that you can use. So yeah, that is my base. And I just put in the gold foil that also comes with the kit. And yeah, that's it for my base. All right, so there are no full box, or sorry, there are no functional boxes in here. So I just make do with the florals as my like layering base. And for Monday, I was making again, cooking again some chicken tonkatsu. So it's more like a Japanese kind of like the fried chicken, like in their, what do you call the panko bread crust or panko bread crumbs. So yeah, it was really good. I liked it. And then after that, I was able to edit a plan with me, which is like I think my daily journaling for paper trail plans. And then I was reading or I was listening to A Little Life. Oh my goodness, this book, A Little Life by Hanya Yanagara. It's a very depressing book. It's like tragedy after tragedy happens to the main character. But I don't know, it just so, once you listen to it, you just keep listening because you're like trying to figure out, is he gonna come out of this tragedy a better person or what? So it's that whole story of his, and it's just very depressing. I don't recommend it if you're like, you know you don't want to read a sad book. But yeah, this was very sad but so interesting to read. So yeah, that was A Little Life. And then on Tuesday, of course, my nap is there. And then we also went to Michael's. That's why I have that shop things with the paperclip. That is from Paper Trail. No, from Paper Shire. I just love her little icons from before, or like her doodly icons. So yeah, she needed something for her bracelets, her crafts that she does. So that's why we went to Michael's. And then we got some takeout of some elotes and some Dubai chocolate from La Michoacana. This really lovely ice cream and Mexican shop, I believe, with lots of yummy, yummy goods. And then on Wednesday, oh my gosh, I am on Wednesday already. I was watching Irrational. And then I also had to work late night that Wednesday. So on Thursday, I did bake some salmon. I baked salmon. I'm not a fan of fish, but then my daughter and my husband are, so that's why maybe I baked that for them. I cooked something else for me. And today was also Meet the Teacher Day, so that's why I have again that paper clip that is again from Paper Share. It's so so cute. So her teacher is the same teacher she had in fourth grade. I think they had a shuffle of teachers, so that's why that was her teacher again. So it was good to see everyone, all the kids are there again, but it was so hot that day. All right, and then we got some DoorDash of Chick-fil-A and McDonald's. All right, so on Friday I cooked corned beef this time. So corned beef and some tuna, I see. Corned beef is from the Philippines, so I think we used pure food. So the corned beef in the Philippines is so good. So salty, but so good. And you eat it with a lot of rice. Yeah. And then after that, what happened on Friday? Bought some books. Where did I buy books? I bought books from Target, I believe. Really? Okay. And then got some takeout from Potbellies again. Yep. It was our favorite. I mean, it was our favorite thing every week, so that's why we've had it for some time. We've had it for some weeks now. And then on Saturday, I was able to grill liempo. So liempo is the pork belly, and grill it, and all good. Oh gosh, it's so yummy. And then we got some DoorDash. Okay, it's all eating on this Saturday. I did DoorDash some tacos from Invictus Tacos. And we were watching Butterfly this time. So Butterfly on Prime, I think, but it's like an assassin and a daughter. Like, yeah, it's an action packed like film, or no, series. And I think it was based in Korea. And the father was trying to find her daughter who was an assassin. So yeah, it's a pretty interesting story, but I don't think they're continuing it. I think they canceled the second season. So yeah, too bad. Okay, so I was reading now Problematic Summer Romance. That is by Ali Hazelwood. Pretty good. I really liked it. And then we ate at Emperor, the Chinese restaurant. It wasn't as good as before. So maybe that will be our last time eating there. And then I was able to film a daily journaling spread. And yeah, that is it for this week. It was pretty light week. Nothing really. Like, I think the highlight would be meeting the teacher. And yeah, that is it. Thank you. These are the leftovers from this Deco Kit. So as you can see, there's still a lot to use. So yeah, that is how I use this kit. And thank you for watching. This is Chasing Sunset by Graceful Muse Paperie, if I haven't mentioned it yet. And thank you. Bye-bye.